Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to get Solana on your Trust Wallet. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Trust Wallet account, and then here we'll have to tap on the search icon at the top. Then here, let's type Sol, and then as you can see here, let's just tap on this to enable the Sol option, and then we can now go back to the home screen of Trust Wallet. So here, as you can see, I have the Sol option already. So in order to receive, let's just tap on the receive option. And then here you'll have three choices to receive a Sol token. The first one is to copy the link. And you can also scan your QR code. You can also share your QR code into different websites. And then the last one is you can also set an amount. For example, let's just put here 10 tokens. So as you can see, the amount is displayed. So whenever someone scan this QR code or click on your link, they will be able to send you the exact amount that you set. So that's how you get a Solana on your Trust Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.